Welcome to episode 2 of season 2 of the Cyberscots video series. So today we're going to be working on several things. We have, this is a Sunday meeting. We've got all their members here, except for like the ones that didn't show up, which is like half of them. But anyway, we're doing a lot of work on our engineering notebook. We're getting it set up for this next season. You know, last year our engineering notebook was only 30 pages long. The Piedmont Pioneers, another team in Piedmont, last year their notebook was 130 pages long. So we definitely have some room for improvement, so that's what we're going to be working on today. And we're also going to be working on mounting both of our rev hubs onto the robot. So let's go take a look at what we're doing. Okay, so now I am working on the engineering notebook. We have made improvements to our organization. We've included a table of contents. During the kickoff, we learned that everyone's supposed to contribute to the engineering notebook every meeting, not just one person who's assigned engineering notebook duty for the meeting. So maybe that's why we lost so many points on that last year, but it's gonna be better this year. I have a feeling it will. It might not be perfect, but I know it'll be better. So this is our new rev hub mount that Ben is working on. We've disassembled most of what we did during the last hardware meeting because we found out some things were crooked. It wasn't ideal. So what we've done is we mounted the two rev hubs side by side on two metal beams. We had to use these long screws to get it in. The reason we didn't just use flat beams is because the flat beams would be hard to like screw other stuff to. You'd have to get a screw under the rev hub that wouldn't work well. So that's about what we did. Yeah.
We're right here, right near. It is an exact clone of the one over here, and earlier it was swaying side to side. It was kind of rotating on this side. It's kind of hard to explain, but we fixed that. All clean.
Yeah, and one other thing is that, if you guys haven't already noticed, me and Enzo both managed to injure ourselves between now and the last episode.
What was Enzo's injury?
His fingers were like wrapped, so either he was doing that for fun or he injured himself.
It got infected. It's not really an injury.
Okay, yeah, and I broke my arm on
It burned. I said, ow!
Back here. If you enjoyed that video, please consider subscribing or visiting our website at cyberscots.zorbulator.com/whatever, I don't know.
Also,
That's nothing.
remember to like our videos.
And subscribe.
And he already said subscribe.
Okay,
Adios.
Jack out!